Flying is something we take for granted today. Over the past decades, the aircraft has become a means of mass transport. This development began as early as the 1970s with the market launch of the jumbo jet and other wide-body aircraft. At that time, flying became affordable, and affordable for a large number of people. Another milestone in civil aviation was the market growth of low-cost carriers since around the turn of the millennium. In the meantime, even lower-income groups and students can afford to fly several times a year, at least in industrialized countries. Outside of Europe, the growth of the Asian air traffic market in the past 10 to 15 years is particularly noticeable. It is precisely this development that means that the major growth periods are still ahead of us rather than behind us, according to Airbus's forecasts. The graph shows that passenger numbers are currently doubling every 10 to 15 years. The growth here is about 4.5% per year. So, while 4 billion passengers were counted worldwide in 2018, in less than 20 years there will already be 8.2 billion. So far, external influences such as oil, economic, or financial crises have had little long-term impact on this growth. As it seems by now, even the COVID crisis has not stopped this development significantly. As a consequence, a demand of 35,000 to 40,000 new passenger aircrafts are expected for the next 20 years. The major growth is no longer expected in Europe or the USA as in the past. 4 billion Asian passengers are striving for the same mobility that the West have already taken for granted in the past 20 years. We are working in a growing industry.
Give us a call or send us an email if you are interested in this e-learning.